Hi everyone, my name is Omprakash. As you see in the thumbnail, I'm going to explain my self-introduction. So let's get started. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Omprakash. I'm from Pulvendula, Andhra Pradesh. I done my bachelor's degree in Become Computer Application in 2022 from Loyola Degree College. After graduation, I was worked as a courier by in Ecom Express. Then I decided to shift my career to IT because of the more professional growth and also number of opportunities compared to other fields. So I came across to the NxtWave platform and joined. With Alpha CCBP program, I learned technologies like HTML, CSS, SQL, Python, JavaScript, Node.js, and React.js. With help of these skills, I built so many websites using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And also, I built React products such as Cycle Dashboard, NxtTrend e-commerce application, and a Jobby app, and more. Apart from NxtWave project, I built my own portfolio website. Uh, with after building these projects, I gained lots of experience in all the skills. Currently, my hobby is coding only. So this was my introduction. So I hope this video would be helpful for you. So share with your friends, and if you like this video, please subscribe. So if you want contact me, you can contact me uh, in LinkedIn. So my LinkedIn profile is in YouTube channel. So check out my channel. So if you have any related doubts, any queries, so comment in the comment section. So thank you guys and all the best.